Hello world, it's time to do some math. Problem I chose for our lesson is a problem on solving a triangle. And there's this beautiful formula, it's called the law of sine, that allows you to find missing angles and missing sides. And it doesn't have to be a right triangle. If it's a right triangle, you can use the Pythagorean theorem. Everyone knows the Pythagorean theorem. But if it's certain types of triangles, you can just use a formula called the law of sine. So let's work through this one. Well, the first thing we're going to do is read the problem. It says I can solve for the missing side of the triangle using the law of sines formula. What's the law of sines formula? Let's go there first. This is the formula. It says sine of the angle over the opposite side equals sine of the angle. So when I have A, that A represents angle A. And here's a picture of that. Here's angle A. The opposite side is little a. Angle B, little b, angle C, little c. This is just how I like to label it. Most textbooks label it this way. So remember, the angle is capital letter, the side is lowercase. So here, this is the formula. And the way you write it out, you write it in pairs. The formula a lot of times is written in triples, but we want to just write it in pairs. So let's actually go and solve. Here we have we have side A is 28. So that's this length over here. Let's label it. Let's make that 28. We have angle A here is 82. So we're going to put 82 here. And we have angle B here is 42 degrees. We need side B. Notice we have angle, opposite side. Angle, opposite side. That's what you're looking for when you're using the law of sine. And we're going to write out the equation. So we're going to have sine of 82 over 28 equals sine of 42 over unknown. We'll call it B, because that's what it is. And now we're just going to do cross multiply to solve that. So now you're going to have B times sine of 82 equals, we went this way. Now we're going to have 28 sine of 42. And now we're just going to solve it. And over here, I have the chat open. So as we're going through these problems, if somebody has a question, I put, hello world. I have a question. They don't want to say it out loud. Great. That's where you put your question, or you can actually have a conversation. Either way. So here I'm going to divide by sine of 82 on both sides. Here, bam. So B, when I say bam, that's going to be 1. Kind of cancels because 1 times B is just B. Now you're going to put in your calculator. So we're going to go over here. I have Desmos up, Desmos calculator, which is my favorite. So we're going to go here, 28 sine 42 divided by sine of 82, and then voila, it's beautiful. So I can round it to nearest 10. I didn't specify, so I'm going to give you the answer round to the nearest 10. I'm going to say 18.9, and I didn't give you feet or whatever. I didn't give you inches. I didn't even give you a unit. So it's 18.9 would be your final answer. That's it. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, and go Matt.